If you're searching for an industrial mechanic millwright study guide, you're already planning ahead. Preparing for this exam is a smart move, especially if you want long-term stability in the trade. And if it's been years since you last sat for a written exam, you're not alone. Here's the thing. Most millwrights learn by doing, not by reading textbooks. That hands-on experience is exactly what this journeyman exam is designed to measure. The challenge is learning how to translate job site knowledge into exam answers. The Industrial Mechanic Millwright Journeyman exam focuses on real-world problem solving. You might see questions based on equipment installation, alignment, maintenance, and troubleshooting. Topics often include safety practices, mechanical drives, hydraulics, pneumatics, bearings, rigging, and basic electrical systems. The exam tests how you think through situations, not just what you memorize. Most exams follow a multiple-choice format. You'll usually see between 100 and 150 questions. Time limits are commonly around 3.5 to 4 hours. That means pacing and focus are just as important as technical knowledge. A solid study plan starts with structure. Instead of trying to study everything at once, break your prep into sections. Think safety, tools, mechanical systems, power transmission, fluid power, and troubleshooting logic. Short, consistent study sessions work better than long cram sessions. Safety is always a major focus area. You might see questions related to lockout procedures, guarding, or safe lifting practices. When studying safety, focus on why procedures exist, not just the steps. Understanding the reasoning behind safety decisions helps you choose the correct answer. Mechanical systems are a big part of the exam. Expect questions involving shafts, couplings, belts, chains, and gear systems. Think about how components interact rather than memorizing definitions. Real job site experience makes these questions easier when you slow down and think them through. Hydraulics and pneumatics often show up as well. You don't need advanced theory to succeed. You need comfort with system flow, pressure basics, and component functions. Connecting study material to equipment you've worked on helps it stick faster. Electrical fundamentals can make some people nervous. The exam usually focuses on basic concepts, not advanced electronics. Think motors, controls, and safe troubleshooting practices. Reviewing diagrams regularly helps build confidence in this area. One of the biggest challenges is mindset. Many skilled millwrights second-guess themselves during exams. Timed practice helps train your brain to stay calm under pressure. It also teaches you when to move on instead of overthinking one question. Here's a simple test day strategy. Answer the questions you're confident in first, flag tougher ones, and return to them later. When unsure, eliminate incorrect options before choosing the best remaining answer. It's also important to remember that exam requirements can vary by state or testing authority. Always review your local guidelines so you know what's emphasized. Even so, core millwright skills remain consistent across the country. If you want added structure during your prep, study tools can help. At journeymanstudyguide.com, Q&A books help you test your understanding quickly. Explanation-style resources help you see why an answer is correct, not just which option to pick. Online time tests help you practice pacing under realistic exam conditions. No study resource guarantees a pass, but the right tools can make studying more efficient and less stressful. They help you focus on weak areas instead of guessing where you stand. This certification is about more than passing one exam. Industrial Mechanic Millwright Journeyman certification is often linked to better pay and steadier work. Many certified millwrights move into supervisory, inspection, training, or consulting roles. The credential supports long-term career flexibility. If you're returning to studying after years away, you're not behind. If you're new to the US system, your experience still matters. Thousands of millwrights take this exam every year and feel the same nerves. If earning your Industrial Mechanic Millwright Journeyman certification is your goal, start with one small step today. Pick one topic, study it briefly, and test yourself right away. Repeat that process consistently, and confidence will build naturally. And when you want guided support, journeymanstudyguide.com is there to help you prepare with clarity and confidence.